Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. And in today's how-to video, I'm going to be showing you how to take off your Honda Talon wheel if you unfortunately get stuck somewhere with a flat tire, or if you just want to just change out your wheels and tires for something new. So it should be pretty straightforward. I'm only going to show you one because all you have to do is just repeat everything on all four tires. Sometimes it's quicker just to lift up the entire Talon, which what I'll be doing. Or if you just wanted to do two at a time and you only have one jack, just lift up the front, do both of the front tires, and then you lift up the rear and then do the rear tires. All right, so the tools you'll be needing is a torque wrench, also a 19mm socket, and either a breaker bar or a gun if you have one, and then the jacks. So let's get started. All right, so first things first, lift up the Talon. Got the jack, a brand new jack. All right, so I'm gonna lift up the front. That way I can get the jack stands underneath the front. So now that I got the Talon up in the air, I'm ready to take off the wheel. So as long as you have a 19 socket, I'm going to use the gun, but you can use a breaker bar or anything else. Sometimes you might have to break it, the lug nuts, while it's on the ground while there's load, but this gun should take it off. So. All right, so now that all the lug nuts are out, you take off the wheel. And there you go. And then if you had a flat or you just wanted to swap out into your new wheel and tire setup, the same way you take it off, you put it back on. Now if you had a flat somewhere in the desert or something, it's gonna be a little harder just because you're probably gonna have the sun beating down on you, so you want to cross it over. This is just how I put them on. So I just put them on hand tight first. And once I get them hand tight, make sure you switch the gun over to put them on, and a little crisscross. Well, now that you got the new wheel on, now you can lower the Talon and then torque them down to spec. I actually torque them down to about 85, so got that. We lower the jack down and then get the torque wrench and then torque it down, and that's it. All right, so now that the Talon's back on the ground and you can start torquing it down. Again, I just torque it down to 85. Same thing, you want to just crisscross it. All right, so that's it. Now that it's all torqued down, you're ready to take your Talon back out. So if you ever have trouble and you need to change your wheel on your Talon, that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment them below and I'll do my best to respond. And remember, life's so sick. Live it.